Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Mizunos 16 Minecraft Resource Pack. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to open up your favorite browser. We are going to find Mizunos 16 MCPE Central. Okay, you got Mizunos 16 MCPE Central. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the MCPE Central website, how to download Mizunos 16 Minecraft Texture Pack. So just click on it, wait for it to load. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find this link, resourcepack.net. So just click on it. Now scroll all the way down once more, and you will find these download links. You'll have the ones for Bedrock here as well, but we're just going to be testing Java right here. So as you can see, the latest one is 6.1. This is an unofficial add-on, which is a modern Mizuno. So let's just focus on these ones right here below. Okay, as you can see, the latest one right here as per recording is 1.20.6 to 1.20.2. So I'm going to download this one. Just click on the link, download, and save it wherever you want. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. Okay, it's done. So let's go ahead and go back. Make sure that you remember the version 1.20.6 or up to 1.20.2. So open up your Minecraft launcher right here. Click on Java Edition or Bedrock if you have selected Bedrock. Installations. Now new installation right here. Just give it a name, for example, Mizuno 16. Release, which release again, let's check it out, 1.20.6. Let's just go ahead and find that. Here we go. Release 1.20.6. Okay. Make sure that you select the options that got release. Okay. So this one. And then after that, you can now go ahead and optimize this one however you want. All right. So just click on install. Once installed, click on play if it doesn't auto launch. All right. So in this window, all you got to do is just go ahead over to options. Then click on resource packs, open pack folder. And just drag and drop the RAR file that we just downloaded. Okay, close this one. And here we have Mizunos. So I may have downloaded the wrong version. As you can see here, it says 4MC 1.20.4 only. So my bad. All right. Let's open up the pack folder, move it away. Now let's download the 1.20.4 version. Mizuno 16 new 1.20.4 release. Install. There you go. Let's just wait for it to open. Now again, options, resource packs, open pack folder, move the RAR file, close this one, and here we have it. Okay. Available, move it to selected. Move, done, single player, create a new world, however you want, create, and just wait for it. All right. And there you have it. That is how you download Mizunos 16 Minecraft Resource Pack. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.